Well, welcome everybody to day 3 of my Colorado road trip. Looks like we just crossed 1,000 miles yesterday. 240.2 watt hours a mile. The efficiency of the last drive into Denver was absolutely terrible because we went up like over 1,000 feet and there was driving into wind. But in any case, I am here at this hotel still, which is over there. So the baseball game in Coors Field, which is somewhere over here, there it is at 1:10, so I can't get in till like 11:40 or something. So I'm trying to look for things to do. I could go to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science, but it seems to be more geared for kids, which, you know, makes sense. So let's see, blah, blah, blah. The zoo, and then a lot of stuff doesn't open till like 10, which wouldn't give me much time to do anything. So, but the Denver Botanical Gardens, which is supposed to be super amazing, it opens at 9. So I'm gonna go over there for an hour or two, then head up to Coors Field. And after that, I'm going to drive down to Colorado Springs and probably stay at a hotel again because I was looking and they seem to be pretty cheap, at least last night. And then tomorrow I'll drive up Pikes Peak, which is there. Where's the road up there? What if I just put in Pikes Peak? What happened? What's it do? Oh, there. Oh, there's the road. I gotta turn this off sometimes to see it. Was that what is this? That can't be a road. Oh, that's a, like, trail, I guess. I guess if it's to hike up there. But there's a road up Pikes Peak, which we're gonna do. Oh, it says we'll get there to top with 30%. But let's delete that. But yeah, that's where we're gonna go after I gotta turn in the key. I'll probably, because this hotel doesn't have any breakfast, so I'll probably turn in the key. I need to turn in the key, and there's a McDonald's right next door, which, as you all know, is the best place. I'll probably get some coffee there and then head to the Botanical Gardens to get there about 9. Well, we have arrived at the Denver Botanic Gardens, and they weren't lying about the parking lot. It's pretty much full already. And it opens at 9. So anyway, let's go inside and check it out, I guess. I guess it's back here is the Botanic Gardens. Because, yeah, it's all this stuff. Well, Botanical Gardens are pretty cool. Definitely think it's worth the, like, I don't know, what was it, $15 or $16 to get in. But, you know, I'm going to head up to Coors Field up there, and there is supposedly free EV charging at this place, so might as well go to that parking garage. Why not, right? Well, yeah, what is it, 3.5 miles away? So I guess, yeah, I'll go there next. Well, my plan didn't completely work out, I guess. I just decided to pull into this parking garage because it was only $20. So, yeah, I guess no free charge to me. Like, it's not a huge deal because I'm 80% anyway. But yeah, I guess I'll head over to the game here. I think the gates open at 11:40. So, yeah.
I think you did perfect. We sell tickets to games third party.
Well, I survived the Rockies game. Now I'm going to go down to, well, Trader Joe's. The hotel I'm staying at's near there, too. And, yeah, that'll be about, I don't think I need to charge. Let's go. I'll get there 53%, so that's more than enough. Definitely want to charge to near full before I go up Pikes Peak tomorrow, although it shouldn't be a huge issue. But, yeah, that's where I am going next to buy food. Well, I don't know if I filmed an end to the video, but here's the end of the video. The hotel room was only, well, I guess it was, I had some rewards points on hotels, whatever that hotels app is. But yeah, it was like $60, so pretty good. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go drive up Pikes Peak, and yeah, not sure exactly what I'm doing after, but I'm at least doing that. So join me in my next video.